Hi, my name is Alex and welcome to the Crochet Circle.
Hi and welcome to this video tutorial where I'm gonna show you how to make this little mushroom. Now in the previous video, in the first part of the previous video tutorial, I showed you how to make the pointy one. Now in this one I'm gonna show you how to make not so pointy one. The pattern will be the same, except I don't know if you saw the previous video. I was always saying if you don't want it that pointy, just skip this row. So in this video tutorial I skipped all the rows that were kind of doubling the amount of stitches. So when it said do a row of just 9 single crochets, I just skipped that row and I went into the next row where it says I have to increase from 9 to 12. And again, the next row I skipped because it said that I need 12 stitches, so I just then went up to the next increases. So yeah, this is the mushroom I am gonna be showing you how to make today. Well, just the top part, because the bottom part I already showed you how to crochet the stem for the mushroom. So in this video tutorial, the not so pointy but still a bit pointy mushroom cap. Join me. Let's begin with the crocheting now. As I already mentioned before, I will be using the same pattern as I did for the pointy mushroom, but I will be skipping some rows. I will be skipping the rows where you have the same amount of stitches as the previous row. So the pointy head won't be as pointy. Now I'm gonna begin. I'm just gonna move my pattern here so I'm gonna be able to see it more. I start with a magic ring, yarn twice around my thumb. I go in with my crochet hook, grab the yarn and make a chain one. Now the first row calls for 6 single crochets, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Close up the magic ring and then I can begin with the next row. Now the next row calls for 9 stitches. How I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna do an increase and a single crochet and I'm gonna repeat that 3 times. So an increase, that is 1, 2 is an increase, 3 is a single crochet, 4, 5 is an increase, and 6 is a single crochet, 7, 8 is an increase, 9 is a single crochet. Now I'm skipping the row where it says, in the previous video of course, where it says that I have to repeat the 9 stitches. Now I'm gonna just go up to 12. How I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna do a single crochet and an increase and another single crochet, and I need to repeat that 3 times. So a single crochet, 1, 2, 3 is an increase, 4 is a single crochet, 5 is a single crochet, 6, 7 is an increase, 8 is a single crochet, 9 is a single crochet, 10, 11 is an increase, and 12 is a single crochet. Now I need to go from 12 to 14. How I'm gonna do that? I'm gonna do an increase and 5 single crochets, and I need to repeat that twice. So 1, 2 is an increase, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 are single crochets, 8, 9 is an increase, and another 5 single crochets. Now I need to go from 14 to 16. How I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna do 3 single crochets, an increase, another 3 single crochets, and I need to repeat that 2 times. So 3 single crochets, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is an increase, 6, 7, 8 single crochets, 9, 10, 11 single crochets, 12, 13 an increase, 14, 15, 16 single crochet stitches. Now to go from 16 to 18, I need to do an increase, 7 single crochets, another increase, and another single crochet. Another 7 single crochets. So an increase, that is a 1, 2 is an increase. Now 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 are single crochets, 10, 11 is an increase, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 single crochet stitches. So now I am on 18 stitches. What I have to do is go up to 24, 30, 36, 42, and so on and so on. Now to go from 18 to 24, I need to do a single crochet, an increase, and another single crochet, and I need to repeat that 6 times. So that's 4 done. 5 is a single crochet, 6, 7 is an increase, 8 is a single crochet, 9 a single crochet, 10, 11 is an increase, 12, 13 single crochets, 14, 15 is an increase, and 16 is a single crochet. 17, 18, 19 is an increase, 20 and 21 single crochets, 22, 23 an increase, 24 is a single crochet. Now to go from 24 to 30, I need to do an increase and 3 single crochets 6 times around. So 1, 2 is an increase, 3, 4, 5 single crochets, 6, 7 is an increase, 8, 9, 10 single crochet stitches, 11, 12 an increase, 13, 14, 15 single crochet stitches, 16, 17 an increase, 18, 19 and 20 single crochet stitches, 21, 22 is an increase, 23, 4 and 5 are single crochet stitches, 27, 26, 27 is an increase, 28, 29, 29 again, and 30 are single crochet stitches. It's not as pointy as the previous one. Now to go from 30 to 36, I need to do 2 single crochets, an increase, and another 2 single crochets, and I need to repeat that 6 times. So I'm on 6 now. 7, 8 is single crochets, 9, 10 is an increase, 11, 12 single crochet stitches, 13, 14 single crochet stitches, 15, 16 an increase, 17, 18 single crochet stitches, 19, 20 single crochets, 21, 22 an increase, 23, 24 single crochets, 25, 26 single crochets, 27, 28 an increase, 29 and 30 single crochets, 31, 32 single crochets, 33, 34 an increase, 35 and 36 single crochets. Now I'm almost at the last row now, so I need to go from 36 to 42. How I'm gonna do that is I'm gonna do an increase and 5 single crochets, and I need to repeat that 6 times. So that's 4, 5, 6 and 7. 8, 9 is an increase, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 are single crochet stitches. Oops. And 14. Now 15, 16 is an increase, 17, 18, 9, 19, 20 and 21 are single crochet stitches. 22, 23 is an increase, 24, 25, 26, 27 and 28 are single crochet stitches. 29 and 30 an increase, 31, 32, 33, 4 and 5 are single crochet stitches, 36 and 37 is an increase, and another 5 single crochet stitches. So that's 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now for this cap I'm gonna opt for the second option, that is that I'm gonna do another row of 42 single crochets all the way around and then join invisible. So I need to count to 42 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, halfway there, 22, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 40, 41 and 42. Now I'm gonna cut the yarn, pull the yarn through, grab my needle, Now for the invisible join, I'm not gonna go into the next stitch. I'm gonna skip the next stitch and go into the next one. So skipping one stitch and going into the next one. Why? Because the join that we do overlaps one stitch and makes it a nice edge. So now all I have to do is hide the end tail in, because I know here will be the cap, so I can just guide it to the middle and then make a knot. And that's it. Now, if you want to know how to put the sequences and the beads on, I did make a video tutorial about it, and I also showed you how to then attach the stem to the cap. So I'm gonna do that, and I'm gonna see you at the end of this video tutorial, where I'm just gonna show you how the end mushroom looks. So now the next step is make the cap nice and pretty, and if you want you can also decorate the stem and join the stem and the cap together. I hope you enjoyed the video tutorial on how to create the not so pointy but still a little bit pointy mushroom. This is the one that I've done before, that is the pointy one. I hope you enjoyed the video tutorial. If you did, let me know with a thumbs up and perhaps a subscribe, because that means a lot to me, and also you will get notified when I'm gonna have something new coming out. So until the next time, I'm gonna say happy crafting!